I really hate listening to my navigator. I need a visual, like, look at that map, you turn here. Because it's quiet. Like, it should, like, at least remind me a few times. Oh, but where does I go? Didn't wave. Aww, goddamn cruisers. Alright, now my navigation said something. 2 more kilometers. And then I gotta do something. Fuck. I hope it's not another roundabout. I swear to God, if it's another roundabout, I'm gonna freak. My speedometer is like bouncing up and down. Look at it! I think it's got a screw loose. Just like my brain. No! Wait, which exit? I heard roundabout and freaked out. Something regional road, I think. Highway 52. Yeah, I just keep going straight. Okay, I can do that. All right. I got this shit, yo. Like a bout. I don't know why I was doing that. Oh, I think it's because I went straight down at first and I was going fast. You know what, that's why. Yeah. I think I'm catching on. Because it went like straight into like fucking 9,000 RPM. Maybe I should have went to first. Only go to first if you're stopping. Also, I don't know if I have to hit the rev limiter to switch gears. I mean, I'm assuming I don't. Wait, do I go on the highway? I'm not going on the highway. Fuck that shit. I'm going straight. Fuck you. I'm not going. I'm not going. No, I'm going straight. You're gonna unfuck this. That's a highway. Alright, 600 meters, turn left. Bon voyage! Okay, I was like in third apparently. Don't fucking hit me. Ah. Oh, my hand. Ow. It's the throttle hand that hurts. Alright, I think. Okay. Lights are working. I know where I am. That was a sick Subaru though. I hate Subarus. I'm an Evo guy. I got a Lancer, but I like the look of that Subaru. I mean, I got respect for them. You know, they're cool cars too, but I picked the Evo, and I will one day own one. Going too fast. I'll do 20 over. I won't do more than that, ever. I feel like 20 is okay. Usually over 10 you're fucked. You know, I'm getting really used to this. Like, I feel almost pretty much comfortable riding on the streets. I'm starting to get it. I had those first nerves, but those nerves are gone. I feel free. I'm a fucking free wolf. was gonna say butterfly, but that'd be gay. I'm a fucking free butterfly. Yeah, this thing, I already want more like pulling torque. It's like, pull the throttle and it's just like, and it's like slowly accelerating. And I watched all those YouTube videos and they're like, I'm like, I'm pulling the throttle, look at it go, oh my god, it's not even accelerating. Like I'm at half throttle, going full, look at it, 80, 85, like, oh my god. Maybe I should like drop a gear and disappear. Not disappear, not disappear. Wait. I look at my high beams. Both of them don't turn on at the same time. That's so lame. I want them both on. That's why I had it on. Yeah, third gear 60 seems nice. I think you gotta go up. But what if I want to stay at 60? Can I just... that doesn't make sense. Gotta like go over the speed limit, then go down the speed limit by... I don't know, man. What the hell do I know? I have no... I feel like I've been driving for too long. I feel like I should be home by now. But I'm not complaining. I don't care if I'm late for work. I don't care if I get caught in the rain. I'm the happiest I will ever be. Don't go. Yeah. I'm not going to be one of those motor vloggers that freaks out on everything. I can tell when I hit first. I love that. It makes it ka-chunk. I should take this to the drag strip. 2 hours later. He's retarded! My bike's making weird whirly noises. I don't know how I feel about that. I am so close to this car. This is the best day ever. Fuck. My first gear shift is always sketchy. Oh yeah, these are Hamilton buses. Sick. I'm in Hamilton. I don't know what time it is. Time it is. Ah! I don't know what fucking time it is. It is. Ah! I need to know what fucking time it is. I still don't recognize this area. I think I'm in Ancaster or Dundas or something. I want to go to work first, but I need to know what time it is. Maybe I'll see a billboard with the time. West 5th. Oh, on arrival. Okay. This is sick. I know exactly where I am. Where's neutral? Neutral. Oh shit. I almost bought a car from here, and it looked perfectly fine, and it was unusually cheap, a Mazda 3. Then they showed us, after we were about to put the down deposit, they showed us a picture of it, like completely wrecked, and we're like, yeah, never mind. Guys enjoyed my first ever motorcycle experience. Like, subscribe. It's your boy, it's your dog Wolfie. Brand new motovlogger. And if you guys want to join me in my experience of motorcycle riding and other shit, you know, and see how I develop. And any new riders to see what it's like riding a motorcycle for the first time. I hope it helped a lot. You learn really quick, you know, as long as you know the basics, you do the motorcycle course. It's kind of like freaky at first, but I got used to it real quick, you know. It sticks to you. I haven't ridden a motorcycle in 6 years. 6 years. What the fuck?